Hey there, I'm Mike Opheim with Edina Realty. This week's home seller tip is about photography and photoshopping. I think most people understand now that you need to use a professional photographer when you're selling your house, but photoshopping and editing your photos is a little newer and less understood. There are some great companies that can add virtual staging to your photos to either add furniture to an empty room or replace less appealing furniture to better impress online viewers. However, you need to be careful about what you change in your photos. While adding or taking out furniture is fine, you probably shouldn't be changing the color of the walls or the carpet. You definitely don't want to be taking out walls to show a more open concept unless you have clearly stated that it's been edited. Photography companies will also often add a fire to a fireplace to make for a warmer looking photo. But I know of one seller that was sued after the buyer figured out that the fireplace didn't actually work. Cost them thousands. I know of another seller that was sued once the buyer realized the power lines that crossed over their property had been edited out of the photos. So if you want to work with an experienced realtor who understands our local MLS rules, as well as our state's legal rules and code of ethics for residential realtors, you can message me here or you can contact me at my homepage or my link tree. Thanks.